Guys, it's Bismoto. I just want to make a video real quick on a new bike I got. Different kind of bike. This is a BMX Cruiser DK Legends bike. I'm going to open it up and I'll show you guys some pictures as I'm working on it. Box. Pretty nice. Comes with Kenda tires. Look pretty cool. The bike's a little bit bigger than I thought, but yeah, that's cool. It's a 26-inch BMX Cruiser. The seat is super light, even with all the cardboard on it. A lot different from back in the day. You know, I grew up in the 80s, so you know, everything seems like it was a lot more heavier back then. Pedals are probably in that little box, I'm sure. Comes with a chain guard. Don't know if I'll put that on or not. Probably not. But yeah, guys, I'll start putting it together and I'll show you a picture of the completed bike and do a quick review on it. Okay, guys, I got the bike all done. Decided to put some pedals on from SE. They look really nice, bear traps. The quality of this bike, I would say, is really good. It says it has 4130 chromoly steel mainframe. I'm assuming that's the front triangle, not sure. But yeah, it seems like it's built really well. Not a big fan of the black rims. I would rather have silver or red anodized, but I guess that would probably bring the price of the bike up quite a bit. I'm just not a big fan of the blackout everything look. Kind of a boring fad to me. I'll never get it. But anyways, the wheels are actually really light. They're not junk, don't get me wrong. And the tires are very, you know, tires and rim combo is super light. I bet they're less than 2 pounds. I could be wrong, but they're pretty amazingly light. I was surprised when I took them out of the box. But yeah, same with the seat. The seat is super light. I was thinking about changing it out and put more of a, you know, like a chrome seat post type thing and maybe a red seat. But with how light this is, I think I might just leave it. But I do plan on putting some more red anodized parts on it to really try to make this bike pop a little more, make it look a little more old school. But everything on it seems pretty quality. The chain is really nice. The brakes are really nice. I'm sure they're no name, but they seem to work very well. Seat post clamp is quick release. Not bad. Like I said, I would like to maybe buy one of those in red. See if I can find one somewhere. And I love the old Mongoose like rear loop design, which this is. Kind of funny how the old school bikes had the bigger sprockets on the front and the new school is smaller, but I understand that's for stunts, so that kind of makes sense, so you don't smash it when you're landing on like a cement jump or whatever. The one thing I don't really like too much is these little tabs they welded on for holding the cable, but I guess it's not bad. You know, you need to change a cable, you just cut the zip ties that they use to hold it on and just zip tie it back on. I mean, it's cheap, it's easy. The welds look super nice. This bike's got sealed bearings in the headset, so that's pretty sweet. Never had a bike with that before. 3-piece cranks, very nice sealed bearings also. Like I said, I put the SE pedals on it. I think those really look sharp. I like those. But yeah, I'll be putting some stuff on it. You know, red nuts on the wheels, just to add some color to it. But yeah, guys, the welds look really nice. Look like whoever built the bike did a good job. The bike does say made in China, but these weren't, whoever they paid to make these bikes, they didn't skimp on anything. You can see the welds even on the bottom. They paid attention to detail. They didn't like half-ass it or anything. So, and China is known for either making good stuff or total crap. So, but I would say this bike was actually built right. At least I hope so. No front brake. Don't know if I'll put one on or not. I don't even think it really needs it. But I understand the handlebars are supposed to be chromoly also. Some of the specs on this is the grips are DK grips, DK stem, alloy V brakes, sealed mid, sprocket's a Y sprocket, chain's a KMC Z510, rims are Ys rims, front hub with 3/8 axle, rear hub is 14mm axle, seat and post is Y's one-piece padded combo, tires street 26 by 2.1s, the top tube length is 22.4, and of course the color is chrome. But anyways guys, that's a video of the DK Legend. Sharp bike. If you guys are thinking about buying it, buy it. The quality is actually outstanding. The packing is okay. Like I said, it ripped through in a couple spots in the box, but everything came out okay. Nothing broken, nothing bent. Everything's good. So anyways guys, hope you liked the video. Like, subscribe. Maybe having another bike coming soon, a 20-inch. Stay tuned for that. That one I want to just beat the crap out of, so I didn't spend a lot of money on that one. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.